Yo guys, how's it going? I'm still getting over a cold, so I don't really have a voice, but see this bed here? This is my bed. Not really. It's Cam's new bed.
Seth's gonna sleep out here in the driveway.
I might as well. So we found this on Facebook for like, I don't know, $100 or something. And we've been meaning to get him one for a long time. We found a good deal. And this is the Hot Wheels bed. It's got some cool lights. It's got a track that goes down it. And we're gonna clean it up and surprise him today. Right now the kids are over at Grandma and Grandpa's, so they have no idea. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up and put it in his bedroom and see what he thinks.
He's gonna be so excited.
He will. He's been wanting one for a long time, so.
And apparently before we put it in his room, we're gonna dry it off, because right now it's misting while we're sitting here talking to you guys.
It's okay. You can't see the mist or the rain, but we're getting wet. Alright guys, here it is. We are done. So here's the Hot Wheels bed. It's pretty sweet. He's gonna love it. It's even got a spoiler up here where you can store cars. And then look at this. It's got a track. Oh, he fell off. But wait. Look what you can do. You can take some track here and connect it like that. How cool is that? Pretty sweet. Oh, check this out. Bam. Pretty cool. One light. We come over to the passenger side. 2 lights. And another ramp. He's gonna love this thing. Gonna love it. Can't wait to see what he says. Let's try out this track again. What could it be?
Thank you, Daddy.
Mom too. Mom too. Wasn't just me. Got your cars set up.
That's really cool.
Little spot for your treasure chest from Hilton Head.
This is sweet.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You put all your favorite cars up there? I just picked some. I know those aren't your favorite.
That's okay. But this one is my favorite.
That's your new one, huh?
That's really cool.
Send it down. Push it down right now. Just let it sit there. It'll go all the way around. Push it.
Woo! And just the light. Oh!
Lights work.
Yeah. Pan, look. It's light up.
Peyton, what's wrong?
Parking area out there?
Hey, look. Whoa! Isn't that cool, man? Yeah. And then they can go up this stuff. Wait, Dad. I have a perfect practice on that.
Whee!
Go ahead, Sherry. Woo! Ah.
Guys, I think he likes it.
Yes, I love it. I love
Oh, you love it? You're gonna play here too now?
it. Both. Yes! Daddy, Kim! Aren't they not? Kim!
Pretty sweet wheels. You like those?
Kim! Yeah. Kim! Kim! I want to get stand on the side of these. Kim!
Oh yeah. Great.
But I'm not going to do that ever because that's unsafe.
Yep. See if it's comfortable. Peyton, lay down beside him.
Totally.
Hope you get under the covers. Okay.
It's really comfy, guys.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah. I'm not kidding, it is, Dad.
Maybe you should take a nap today. Not happening. I think he likes it. I don't know. Seems like Peyton likes it too. Peyton actually, Peyton
I
threw a
love it.
good. Peyton threw a big tantrum, so luckily she's done crying now. But she didn't get a new bed today. Cam did, so.
And I got a new bed before.
Yeah, she got a new bed last time, so. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you haven't already. Kim, when are we going to see these guys?
In the next video!
Next video. Bye, guys.